Is Elon Musk leading Twitter to disaster? The discussion starts now. My worthy colleagues, I welcome you all to this very prestigious group discussion being organized by Nomura Japan, and it's a great privilege to welcome you all here. The topic given to us is Elon Musk leading Twitter to a disaster? Now, as we all know, the future belongs to social media. And at these times, companies like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram have shown that they carry more power than a nuclear bomb. And at these times, a company like Twitter being bought by a maverick leader who may have been a great CEO at Tesla, SpaceX, but is known for his Donald Trump-like very maverick approach. Is this the safe forum to hand over to a CEO like him or not, is the topic which has been given to us. But now, I'm sure, since it's a very interesting topic, very pertinent in the present day socio-political economic context, so all of you, my worthy colleagues, would have very deep views. However, time given to us is only 20 minutes, and the group needs to have a consensus. Is Mr. Elon Musk the good CEO or a bad CEO? So may I propose that since time is limited, we can divide the group discussion mainly into three parts. Number one, let us try to analyze the facts which are surrounding Twitter today. Number two, let us try to evaluate some main decisions which Elon Musk has taken immediately after taking charge. And finally, we can come to a conclusion and recommendations. So I hope all of you agree? Yes, we agree. Okay, then let's start. So Mr. Mohan, may I ask you to give your thoughts right here? Yeah, sure, Radha. So my dear friends, I'd like to give you some important perspectives on Twitter. While Instagram and Facebook continue to grow, Twitter has been a stagnation of growth. Its subscriber base is more or less static at the level of about 200 million or so. The second fact is, it is making loss. They make sales of approximately $5 billion, but regrettably, they are making a loss of about $220 million. So isn't it very natural that any person who takes charge should take drastic measures? So I sincerely believe that it is time for drastic measures, and Elon Musk is very right. No, Mohan, I think I disagree with you. You have to go a little bit deeper. If you see, under the leadership of Indian CEO, the dynamic Indian CEO, Mr. Parag, the losses of Elon Musk's previous company, Twitter, have crashed from 1 billion loss to 220 million. So 80% loss reduction had happened under Mr. Parag. So in these times, when you suddenly fire all the top management, Mr. Parag, Ms. Karthik, and Mr. Jenny Keshet, don't you think you are getting a wrong signal? Who will manage the company? You come one day on 27th October and you fire all the three people? Are you leaving a leaderless ship? Won't it be a disaster for Twitter? Yeah, excuse me, I'm Muralidhar. Can I say something? Yeah, Muralidhar, please say. I sincerely feel that the biggest problem in Twitter is employee attitude. You have 7,500 employees and everybody is working from anywhere. And when you work from anywhere, then of course you are working from nowhere. And of course, coronavirus and health is first responsibility, but coronavirus is long gone. Or shopping malls, or movie halls, or restaurants, everything is open. All the Twitter employees, they can enjoy movie, shopping mall, but they are not very safe when they come to Twitter office. If that is the culture, how can the company progress? So I think Mr. Elon Musk is very right in taking strict. Yeah. I am Meera, but I wish to say, is this right to publicly incite? Every company takes drastic decisions, but do the CEOs issue the instruction on Twitter? Do the CEOs say that please come to the office at 2 o'clock in the afternoon? Do the CEOs say that please come by tomorrow, otherwise you are fired? So while the basic thought process is well-intentioned, but its execution is absolutely terrible. No, Meera. I think it's very easy to say that when a plane is crashing and there are news that within a year, if nothing is done, Twitter will crash. If a CEO like Elon Musk comes, haven't we all criticized Steve Jobs in the past? Haven't we all criticized Bill Gates and Andy Grove for their very dictatorial leadership? At times of crisis, it's easy to sort of reflect in hindsight, but when Elon Musk has taken control, it's very important for him to do it now. Because if he doesn't deliver the results, then the world will criticize him. Yes. I am Neelkant and I totally agree with you, because at the end of the day, it is not Elon Musk alone. The money is coming from Morgan Stanley, one of the very critical and very strong critique of profit returns. So if Elon Musk doesn't start delivering results in about few months, there will be questions on him. Okay, gentlemen, I think all of you have said very important thing, and now time is almost over, so we would like to have a discussion. Does the group agree that Elon Musk is a good CEO or not? Okay, so I can see that the group is divided. But my dear friends, if we don't agree, then all of us will be rejected by Nomura Japan. So Radha, Mr. Neelkant, and all of you, I think most of you have agreed that Elon Musk is a good CEO. But many others have criticized him. So how should we go forward? Excuse me, I am Shiv. May I speak? Okay, Shiv, you haven't spoken so far, so please go ahead. I would like to propose that being the owner, board chairman like Mr. Narayan Murthy or Mr. Ratan Tata is a different thing, and being a CEO is a different thing. So may I propose to the group that let us recommend to Mr. Elon Musk that while he should continue to be the chairman of the board, he should drive the company, but he is too knee-jerk a person to be a CEO. So if the group agrees, let us agree to three things. Number one, we should ask Mr. Elon Musk to step back as a CEO, but continue as the board chairman. Appoint somebody professional. If not Mr. Parag, then make sure that you are inviting any person who is more mature and sagacious and doesn't make controversial decisions. Number two, it is okay to reduce the employees, but don't give public notification because that is insulting your employees. There should be internal company circulars which shouldn't be known to the entire world. So the second important instruction to Twitter is, just because you are Twitter, do not issue your internal office memos on Twitter. Companies like LinkedIn, Facebook do that. This is nothing but a sign of callow, green immaturity. However, agreeing with Mr. Musk, the third most important recommendation by the group is, right now, Twitter is relying almost 92% of ad revenue. This is highly leveraged and a dangerous position. So, Mr. Musk's move to make blue accounts chargeable and chargeable is very good, and this should be executed by the board. So, my dear friends, do we all agree on this? Everybody? Because we are about almost... Okay, so far, Mr. Krishna, you haven't spoken, so why don't you summarize? Okay, hello, my name is Krishna. Thank you for giving me the chance. So, respected jury members, we are almost concluding the group discussion. It was a very convivial and vivacious group discussion, and I am very happy to say that although there was a difference of view, but finally we have come to a consensus, and the consensus is that we should ask Mr. Elon Musk to quit Twitter as a CEO. He can continue as a board member and the chairman, but not a CEO. The second recommendation is that he must take care that even though you are Twitter, you should not issue your day-to-day office instructions on Twitter. However, the third important thing is culture. It's very important that employees stop doing that laissez-faire and start dedicating their efforts completely. Because if you want Twitter to grow, you have to fight against Facebook, Instagram, and various mediums. So with those words, I think these are our three recommendations. We would like to sum up the GD, if everybody agrees. Okay, we agree. So this is how, in a case study group discussion, it's impossible to predict what topic will come. But the last secret to ace your case study discussion is rule of three. Rule of three. No matter what is asked, always try to evaluate it from economic angle, human angle, and geopolitical angle. So economically speaking, Elon Musk's revolutionary, radical approach is quite good. If Elon Musk doesn't do that now, Twitter will go bankrupt. Human angle, insensitive and immature. Removing all the top management overnight, asking 3,750 people to leave in a matter of days can be very reckless for any company. Because even if they were working 3 hours a day, they were still contributing. So human angle is dangerous. And finally, overall strategic geopolitical angle, well, the factor of Donald Trump is controversial, but you can always talk about content moderation. It's wise to have content moderation, and the previous management, Mr. Parag Agarwal, his focus on ensuring that controversial content remains out of Twitter was in some sense very sagacious. But as a counterpoint, you can always say that the reality of media is that what sells is sensation. If Mr. Elon Musk doesn't give sensation to the world, how is he expected to run a show competing with so much fake news all around? Therefore, your ability to speak 3 points can help you win. So as I told Priya, whether it's Bandhan Bank, whether it's Elastic Run, whether it is D-Shaw, whether it is McKinsey, in any group discussion, your ability to quickly think simply 3 points, economic angle, human angle, geopolitical angle, can take you to great heights of success. So God bless you, and may you all follow the rule of 3 to ace your case study group discussion.